And the fascinating part, too, is just how it's all come together.
Beautiful ball movement. Stored to Wilson and one. Peterson unable to connect, and here comes Chelsea Gray. Great ball movement for the Americans. And Nafisa.
But they all understand the goal is to win gold. They will say that constantly. So everything they can do, whether on the practice floor, together off of it, on this court.
Asia Wilson is extra.
That game that came down to the wire in the win over Brazil in the qualifier. She had 20 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists, does a little bit of everything.
That is just picture-perfect ball movement for the Americans.
To see her wearing that USA jersey, to be a part of this team, to be on the floor, to be representing